welcome back to another video of how to draw things. What are we gonna draw today? What do you think?
We didn't figure it out. Yeah. How about an animal? What type of animal?
I could.
How about a cat? A cat.
A cat. So have your paper sideways.
Sideways,
like this. This way, not this way. This way.
This way.
How about a lion?
No, I don't want a lion.
Okay.
Cat.
A cat.
A cat. Yeah.
It should be licking its paw. So first we're just gonna draw a C, a backward C.
Backwards C.
Yep, kind of like a backward C. So like that. And then we're gonna draw kind of a sharp ear, but at the tip of it, it's like not sharp. And then on the back of it, there's still another sharp. If we're going way too fast for you, you can always pause the video. Yeah, and then right back here, another like ear, exactly like that. See mine?
Like that.
Like that.
Is that good?
Yeah, kind of like this.
This needs to be sharpened because look at this. It needs to be like sharpened. I'll be right back, don't worry.
Okay, then we're gonna draw a frontward C on the other side of it and make it connect to the backward C on the bottom of it. Kind of like that. And I'm gonna do hers. There. And so, like that. And see that nose, like that part that looks like a nose? You can put the paw right there. So, then we're gonna make the body. It's gonna go down like this, so it looks like it's sitting down, and it's gonna be licking its paw.
Did you make mine for me?
Yes, but not this part because we're just doing this part. But I did the head, and then we're gonna go down like the body, but not too far down, kind of like a line. So kind of like that.
Like that line?
Yeah. It's gonna be licking its paw.
Its paw.
And then we're gonna draw the tail. It's gonna be nice and curvy. Kind of like that. Ooh.
Is that good?
Yeah, nice and curvy.
That looks good.
And then we're gonna make it.
I know it looks nothing like a cat.
And then we're gonna make its foot kind of like a bump up, an N, like kind of like a lowercase n. A bump up, and then a sideways bump, kind of like, or a sideways U, whatever you want to call it, like that.
That kind of looks like a cloud if you do like,
yeah, make a bump. And then you're gonna make a line across like that. A little line, like across like that. So,
now looks exactly like a cloud.
and then like connect it to the tail part. So,
it is a cloud, you guys.
okay. Then we're gonna draw a nezzy.
Like it's curved.
Wait, so now then we're gonna draw the body up like that, and then we're gonna draw the paw. So a little V. Make sure it's like kind of curved like this way a little bit, because then we're gonna draw the paw.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that kind of looks like it so far.
Yeah. And then we're gonna draw.
Make sure it's like curved.
The paw. Just go down a little bit and have the paw rounded, and then connect it to the mouth. Like that.
Can you do it for me? No, with my pencil. Okay, that's fine.
Like kind of I need
And
the
then
eraser.
close it up.
Kind of like, yeah, close it up. And then draw like by the mouth part, draw like it's sitting, the cat's tongue licking out, and then the paw right there, ready for it. So
Like that.
yeah, the little tongue sticking out. And then
It's not like a rude way.
yeah, and then draw like the eye, like a U, a long U, like that, and then a long lowercase L on top of it, like that. And on the other side, we're gonna pretend that there's another eye, so you don't have to draw the other eye because it's on the other side.
Ooh, that looks good.
And then draw the eye however you want to do. I'm making the eye like this. You draw a little zip, and then inside you draw
I
a
don't
little
know
circle.
if I'm copying you. I'm just like making it how I do it.
Yeah.
Am I copying you? Oh my gosh, I just copied you. I'm so sorry.
See you in part